you all fine and safe at your homes? I am Miss Tamasharvi, going to handle mathematics subject for you. Are you ready, children? Children, today we are going to see chapter 1 geometry in our term 1 book. Before entering into our class, we will recall what we have studied in our last year class. What are 2D shapes? Can you guess what are 2D shapes, children? Any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is called as 2D shapes. Any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is called as 2D shapes. Can you give some examples? As compact disc, CD, or chessboard. You can say many examples. It has only length and breadth, only two dimensions. Only two dimensions, length and breadth. So we call it as 2D shapes. What are 2D shapes? Any shapes that can be laid on a flat surface. Give some examples. Chessboard, compact disc, etc. Now we will see various 2D shapes like square, rectangle, circle, triangle, etc. First, square. Square has 4 equal sides. All the sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 equal sides. Second, rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but opposite sides are equal. Rectangle also has 4 sides, but opposite sides are equal. Now, triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. There are 3 sides in triangle. It is circle. It is round in shape. Circle is round in shape. Circle is round in shape. Next, pentagon. Pentagon has 5 equal sides. Pentagon has 5 equal sides. Hexagon has 6 equal sides. Hexagon has 6 equal sides. Children, for shapes having 3 or more sides. For shapes having 3 or more sides, we call it collectively as polygon. We call it as polygon. Take example, they are baseball, basketball, volleyball, football, etc. But we commonly call it as ball. We commonly call it as ball. Like that, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, there are many shapes. But we commonly call those shapes as polygon. Polygon is nothing but shapes having 3 or more sides. Polygon is nothing but shapes having 3 or more sides. Now we are going to learn about 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid objects having 3 dimensions. 3D shapes are solid objects having 3 dimensions. Length, breadth and height. What are the 3 dimensions? Length, breadth, height. They are various 3D shapes. Cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone. First we are going to see about cuboid. Cuboid. Listen children. Cuboid is a 3D shape. Cuboid is a 3D shape. That is 3-dimensional shape. This is called as face. This is called as face. Now count the number of faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cuboid has 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. Now see, the face looks like rectangle. The face looks like rectangle. Each face looks like rectangle. Each face looks like rectangle. Cuboid has 6 faces and each face looks like rectangle. Now we are going to count the corners. This is called as corner. This is called as corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. So totally cuboid has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So cuboid has 8 corners or 8 vertices. Cuboid has 8 corners or 8 vertices. Now we will count edges. Edges is this line. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines here. Down see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally 12 edges in a cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Listen children again. Cuboid is a 3D shape. It has 6 faces. It has 6 faces, 8 corners or vertices. 8 corners or vertices, 12 edges, 12 edges, and each face looks like a rectangle. And each face looks like a rectangle. Like cuboid, cube is also a 3D shape. Cube is also a 3D shape. It also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices or corners. It also has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners or vertices. But each face looks like a square. In cube, each face looks like a square. Cylinder is a 3D shape. Cylinder is a 3D shape. It has base on the upper surface and lower surface. It has base, 2 bases on upper surface as well as lower surface. Height is the distance between 2 bases. Height is the distance between 2 bases. Height is the distance between 2 bases. Sphere. Sphere is a 3D shape. Sphere is a 3D shape. It has only one surface. It has only one surface. It has no corners or vertices and edges. It has no corners or vertices and edges. Sphere is a 3D shape. It has only one surface. It has no corners or vertices as well as edges. Cone is a 3D shape. Cone is a 3D shape. Base of the cone is circular. Base of the cone is circular. From the top to the bottom, the distance is called as height. From the top of the cone to the bottom, the distance is called as height. This is said to be slant height. This is said to be slant height. Height and slant height are not equal. Height and slant height are not equal.
Find the shape of the given object. Find the shape of the given object. Can you find the shape of the given dice, children? Try it once. What is the shape of the dice? Yes, it is cube. Now the second one. Find the shape of this object. What is the shape of this object, children? Can you make a guess? Yes, it is cone. Children, now the third one. Can you find the shape of this matchbox? Can you able to guess it, children? Yes, it is cuboid. Can you find the shape of this globe, children? What is the shape of this globe? Just make a try. Yes, it is sphere. It is sphere. Now the last one. What is the shape of this gift box? What is the shape of this gift box? Yes, cylinder. It is cylinder.
Now we are going to see about true or false. The first question is cube is covered by 6 squares. Cube is covered by 6 squares. Whether it is true or false. Whether it is true or false. It is true because cube has 6 sides or 6 squares in it. Because cube has 6 sides or 6 squares in it. The height and slant height of the cone are equal. Whether it is true or false. It is false because the height and slant height of the cone are not equal. They are different. The height and slant height of the cone are not equal. They are different. So it is false. The third question is cuboid has 7 vertices. Really, cuboid has 8 vertices. So the statement is false. Cuboid has 8 vertices. So the statement is false. Two bases lie in upper and lower surface of a cylinder. Two bases lie in upper and lower surface of a cylinder. Whether true or false? Yes, it is true. Two bases lie in top and bottom surface of a cylinder. Fifth one. Sphere is a 3D shape. Sphere is a 3D shape. The statement is true.
Children, now we are going to learn about rotations. Now we are going to learn about rotations. Now see, this is the picture. Here it is in original position. Okay, if they ask about 1 by 4th turn or quarter turn, if they ask about 1 by 4th turn or quarter turn, we have to twist the paper or turn the paper in clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. Like this. Now the picture look like this. If they ask about half turn, if they ask about half turn, again you have to twist the paper like this. In clockwise direction itself you have to twist. So now the picture look like this. Again if they say about 3 by 4th turn, you have to again twist the paper like this. It is 3 by 4th turn. When they ask about the original question, again. So, each picture has 4 rotations. Quarter turn, half turn, 3 by 4th turn and original position. Among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1/4 turn. Among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1/4 turn. Now, for the given shapes, we have to turn 1/4 turn and find out whether 1/4 turn and original position are looking same. If it is looking same, we are going to put a tick. If it is looking different, we are going to put a wrong. Are you ready, children? Now they are saying about 1/4 turn. So we are going to twist the paper for only one time. See the first picture. We are going to twist the paper clockwise for one time because it is 1/4 turn. How the picture looks? It looks like this. It looks like this. Where the original position shape and 1 by 4th turn shape looks same, children? No. So it is not looking same. Now we will go to second picture. Now we will go to second picture. Now we are going to make 1 by 4th turn. Twist the paper only once. Now see. Now see here, both the images are looking same. So we are going to put tick. Now see the third picture. Again 1/4 turn. Again 1/4 turn. turn the paper once. How the picture looks like? Whether both are same, children? No. So put a wrong. Children, now see how this circle turns after 1/4 turn. How it looks like? Same. So both are looking same. So we shall put tick. Now see the picture house. We are going to make 1/4 turn. How it is looking? Shall we draw it? It is not looking same. So wrong. Now the next picture. When we turn quarter turn, that is 1/4 turn, how it looks? It looks the same. So tick. Among the following letters, find out which one would look the same after half turn. Among the following letters, find out which one would look the same after half turn. Here we are going to do half turn for the given letters. First take X. Okay. This is called quarter turn. Again when you do, this is half turn. Or when it is in original position and turn upside down, it is half turn. Okay. X, quarter turn. When you do again, it is half turn. It looks like same X. So, tick. Next, H. Now, quarter turn. They asked about half turn. So, again, 2 times you have to turn in clockwise direction. H. So, this also looks the same. Then A. See in original position, they asked about half turn. So twist 2 times. 1, 2. Now it looks like inverted. So this is not the same image. It doesn't look like same. So it is wrong. Then letter N. See letter N. Half turn. After half turn, how it looks? Same as in. So it is tick. Now for these letters we are going to try. First B. When we do half turn, 1, twice, how it looks like? Inverted B. So it is wrong. It doesn't look like the same B. It is like inverted. Next J. When we try J, this is quarter turn. And again when we twist the paper, it is half turn. How it is coming? Like this. So this image is not same. So wrong. Then the letter D. Quarter turn. Again when we twist the paper, half turn. How it looks? Like this. So this image also not the same. Then the last letter S. This is original image, quarter turn, then half turn. How it looks? Same S. Only letter S resembles the same. Among the following numbers, find out which one would look the same after half turn. Among the following numbers, find out which one would look the same after half turn. So, for the numbers, we are going to find the half turn image. First 1. So, quarter turn and then half turn. It looked like this. Whether both the images are same, children? No. Then, the number 2. Quarter turn of 2, then half turn of 2. How it looks? Like this. Whether both the images are same? No. then the number 3. See the number 3. This is quarter turn and then half turn. It looks like this. So this image is also not the same. Then number 5. This is the quarter turn of 5, then half turn. How it looks like? Like this. So this image is not the same. Now the number 8. This is quarter turn of 8 and this is half turn of 8. It looks like 8. So this is resembling same. Now the number 0. This is quarter turn of 0 and this is half turn. The number 0 resembles the same. So tick. How the following numbers are changed after half turn? You are going to write the following numbers, how they are changing after half turn. So first the letter 8. So how it is changing after half turn? After half turn, how it looks, we are going to find out. Okay, this is the letter 8. Half turn is this quarter turn. Again, when you twist the paper, it is half turn. So 8 resembles 8. So it looks like same. It looks like same. Now see here the number 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. After half turn, how the number 1 looks like? This is quarter turn, this is half turn. Like this it is, look. And then 0, how it looks? Same. So this number after half turn will look like this. 1 will be changing like this, but 0 resembles the same. Now 1, it will look like this after half turn. They are asking to write the numbers, how it look after half turn. We already seen these numbers in the last sum itself. Just twisting the paper, we have got the answer. Net. A net is a two-dimensional figure. Net is a two-dimensional figure which can be folded. Which can be folded to form a three-dimensional figure. From the net, a two-dimensional figure, I have folded and formed the cuboid, three-dimensional figure. Listen children, net is a two-dimensional figure. It is a two-dimensional figure which can be folded. Which can be folded to form a three-dimensional figure. Here it is cuboid. Here it is cuboid.
Children, now we are going to find out what 3D shape will this net make. What 3D shape will this net make? Are you ready children to find this? The shape formed from the net is cube. Now find out what shape can be formed from this net. Yes, it is cylinder. Children, now we are going to guess what 3D shape will this net make. Can you make the guess? Please try soon. Yes, it is cone. It is cone. Let's try again. What 3D shape will this net make? Make a guess children. Try once more. What 3D shape will this net make? Can you able to find it? Yes, it is cuboid. It is cuboid.
Children, hope you learnt about 2D shape. In that, any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is called as 2D shape. We saw about square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon, hexagon, and then we move on to 3D shapes where we saw about cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and cone. Next, we learned about rotations, quarter turn, half turn, and we moved on to net of a solid. Hope you all understood the class and enjoyed this section. Thank you, children.